Hi guys, welcome to AIM. I'm in the third episode of the introductory series, part 2. So, in this episode, I'll be talking about the importance of data science tools or important data science tools that you need. So, let's get into the video. So for the first, I would start off with the database tools that you need to learn are the RDMS, or you can say Relational Database Management Systems, and you should know about SQL. That will help you in getting queries and making queries for your data when you are doing task. Second, I want to talk about is the mathematical knowledge you need to have, and that are the courses, or you can see that are the subjects you have to learn when you are doing data science are statistics, optimization techniques, linear algebra, and the fourth one is calculus. So you need to have the knowledge of these all four subjects. Next comes is the modeling tools that are Python, R, or MATLAB. You should have knowledge of these tools when you're doing modeling. Next comes are the large scale analytic frameworks that are MAP, Reduce, Spark, Hadoop, and NoSQL. So these are the some large scale frameworks that you need to know about. Next is about data integration, in which you need to know about data wrangling and entity resolution. So till now we have learned some things. Now the main is some machine learning algorithms that you need to know about, or data mining techniques I can say, are clustering, that is k-means. You should know about classification. You should know about the decision tree, random forest, principal component analysis, Naive-Bayes theorem, boosting. So these are some of the skills or techniques that you need to know about data mining, or you can say machine learning. Next comes some cloud computing techniques, because nowadays data is huge. So some people work with cloud. So you need to know about AWS and GCP, that is Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud Computing. Last but not the least, some deep learning, or you can say some frameworks you need to know about is what like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch, and some important libraries in Python are like Pandas, Matplotlib, NLTK, sklearn, NumPy. So you should have a good knowledge of these subjects as well. So this is what about today's video, some important tools in data science. I hope you like it. And if you have any query related to us, or if you want to get connected to us and know more about it, please be free to ping us on our given handles below in the description box, or please comment down below. We'll be reaching happy to read your feedback on our videos. Until we meet next time, thank you. Bye bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.